Okay, we're working on this race Hemi block, and it broke a center main cap. Of course, that happens to be the thrust. So the customer sourced another cap from the block manufacturer. And we're going to go ahead and line bore this to size. 2" 943 is what we're targeting for in this little Hemi. And we'll cut the cap first. We'll probably do a couple 3 cuts to get the cap close, and then we'll come in and cut the thrust. We got to cut it on both sides. You see that the new cap doesn't have the thrust. So we'll fire up our old Berco BT6 here, and we'll make a few passes. All right, we're taking our first cut here. Try to get it somewhat square. All right. Second cut on our Hemi. We're getting close. We're just taking about 6-7 thousandths a cut here because we don't want to wreck the center line. This is some hard ass shit in this cap too. So. All right, we got it cut. Now we're just trying to cut the center main. That's all they want. So this is very, very tough to do. Try to keep everything in the center line. We barely just touch on the block, which is perfect. Feels great. There's no lip. We got to cut the thrust yet, but let's check our size here. So my book says 2" 943 on the top end. This thing's about 2" 941. That 0 represents 943, so I'm about 2 under there. This is not the one I did. This is number 4. But I'm just showing it. With one of the best savings rates in America. Let's go to the one we just did here.
Next up for lead guitar.
Ooh, boy, we got her dead nuts.
Your aim.
Freaking light. Yeah, it's right there. Make sure there's no make sure there's no out around. Oops, popped off. Well, I think we got it as close as we can get it. This top. Check for shape. Boy, not bad. Boy, that ain't... I think we got it pretty good. Sweet. Well, there you go. There's our main cap cutting. We'll go ahead and cut the thrust tomorrow. Alright, cut the first thrust here. Alright, we'll cut the other side now. Alright, we got it all cut in. Come on, nice. So, I like to finish it in the line hole. I think I'm going to put it in there and make one pass and make sure everything's true. Well, she's all done. Came out nice.